There's our new 5150 stickers. Hey guys, this is Dean from 5150. Today we're going to be installing these new door hinge liner sets. This kit is from RT Off-Road, and what this will do is knock out, there's little inserts that go inside these hinges that keep the door from rocking. So we're going to go ahead and put these in there. So let's go get it started. So the first thing we need to do is remove the nuts on the bottom of the hinges. They're 13 millimeter. Okay, now we got to go ahead and remove the door. There we go. These are the nylon inserts right here. And here you can see they're cracked. All right, we're gonna open these up. It should be a fairly fast install. So those are the new inserts, and that's the tool. So let's see what that tool looks like, Patrick. So basically, this here will knock out the nylon bushing and the hammer on this side. This is what the nylon bushing looks like. So you gotta be careful not to hit the body. You can kind of see it lifting it right out. That one's done. Ew. So that's one of the old ones there. Looks like it's starting to come up. Looks like it's starting to loosen up. Pat's just being very careful not to scratch the paint, the rocker or the body. A little bit of PB Blaster in there,
which is excellent for paint.
Starting to lift up. The old bushing just popped out. And then we just probably need to get another punch and punch that down. Just get a punch and kind of knock it down. So these are the new ones. So we'll just go ahead and push those in. Slide them right in. All right, there they are, and that's done. So all we gotta do is put the door back on. Just line up to those pins right there. No, it's got to carry. There we go. And there we go. Now, if you lift up on this door, see, there's, should have showed it before. You see, there's no slop in it now. Okay, just hook up the nylon limiting strap. We got to put the nuts back on. Again, those are 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter. Now this door just really, it's like it's brand new. Beautiful. All right guys, so we're going to do the driver's side now. Same procedure. This is a 1/2 inch or a 13 millimeter nut. We're going to take it off the door hinge. One kind of bad thing about this, you can see the paint's getting nicked up a little bit. But you can put touch-up paint in the arcade. All right, so there's the limiting strap. So you just pull up on it. Okay. Okay, you can see how much slop's in that door, Patrick, real quick. So you can see, let me back up. You can go ahead and do it again. You can see how much that moves quite a bit. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna put a little PB blaster just to loosen up the doors a little bit. There we go.
The bath.
There we go. There's the hinges there. Okay. Do the same thing. Use the tool. These really aren't as bad as we thought they were going to be. It's pretty cheap, easy to do. Just okay. Again, the bottom one's a little harder one. It's coming up, isn't it? No. Sometimes you have to not be a wuss with the hammer. Sometimes you got to beat it like you mean it. There we go. Patrick just about got it out. And you can see that one's pretty corroded. There we go. There we go. Now we just got to put the door on. Did it what? Oh. And there you go. You can see, nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. Just gonna wipe it down to remove that PB blaster. There you go. strap back on.
Just a little harder on this cheek.
A little harder because of the roll bar. It's a poison spider roll bar. It's a project we're working on. And just take these nuts, tighten them up. And there we go. Go ahead and, yep, nice and tight now. There we go. All right, guys, there you have it. Pretty easy install, easy to do. This is the company. There's the part number. It's an RT25008. We got these from 4 Wheel Parts. Pretty easy install. There's the actual directions. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.